Bogotá is the capital city of Colombia. Usually it's cold, and sometimes it's rainy. There are also people from other Colombian countries because there are many opportunities to work and study. For me, Bogotá is a cosmopolitan city. The iconic places are in the downtown, the Bolivar Square, where you find the National Capitol, the Palace of Justice, the Liévano Palace, and the Primary Cathedral. There are many museums in Bogotá. For me, the main museums are the Museum of Gold and the National Museum. The Museum of Gold, it has the largest collection of Colombian gold artifacts in the world. The National Museum, it's the oldest museum in Colombia. It built in 1823. It served as a prison until 1946. Monserrate is a hill where there is a church. Can be accessed by funicular or by climbing. It is a popular destination to have a panoramic view of Bogotá. The Simón Bolívar Park is located in the middle of the city and is the most popular urban park. There are green spaces, a sports complex, and entertainment activities. Finally, Bogotá offers a wide gastronomic variety and nightlife. The G-Zone, the T-Zone, and La Macarena are the popular areas.